Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. When you think of Cancun, what comes to mind? White sand beaches, sparkling turquoise water, and world-class resorts, right? But what if I told you that just over 50 years ago, this world-famous destination was practically an untouched jungle, home to only a handful of people? It sounds crazy, but it's true. So, how did this sleepy sandbar transform into a global tourism giant? Let's dive in. Back in the late 1960s, Mexico was looking for its next big thing, its Acapulco of the future. The government launched a massive project using computers, which was super high-tech for the time, to analyze coastlines, weather patterns, and proximity to airports. They scoured the country for the perfect spot, and the algorithm kept pointing to a deserted L-shaped sandbar in the state of Quintana Roo. The place? Cancun, which in the Mayan language means nest of snakes. At the time, it was home to just 3 coconut plantation caretakers. Seriously, 3 people. What makes Cancun's creation so unique is that it was a master-planned city, designed from the ground up purely for tourism. The government didn't just stumble upon a pretty beach, they meticulously designed it. They divided the area into 2 distinct zones: the Hotel Zone, that famous 14-mile strip of land between the Caribbean Sea and a massive lagoon, and the City Zone, on the mainland, where all the workers and local infrastructure would be. They dredged channels, built bridges, and brought in all the utilities. It was a monumental feat of engineering and urban planning, turning a wild coastline into a paradise built for vacationers. Of course, this region's history goes way deeper than the 1970s. The Yucatan Peninsula was the heart of the ancient Maya civilization, and you can still see their incredible pyramids and cities just a short drive from the resorts. And these beautiful Caribbean waters? They were a playground for pirates. Legendary figures like John Lafitte and Henry Morgan once prowled these seas, using the intricate coastline and islands like Isla Mujeres as hideouts to raid Spanish treasure galleons. Imagine, while you're sipping a drink on the beach, you're looking out at the same waters that once saw epic pirate battles. How cool is that? So, the next time you visit Cancun, remember that you're not just in a resort town. You're in a place where modern computer-driven design meets ancient Mayan history and swashbuckling pirate legends. It's a unique blend of past and present that makes this corner of Mexico truly special. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.